Hi, it's Barry. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you some things from the Cloth and Paper November subscription boxes and also talk about some Black Friday deals and suggestions. So let's get started. We got a new sticky note and it's very interesting because it's like a pill over there. And I think that's going to be great for putting a title on your sticky note. And I'm looking forward to using that one. These are the two journal cards this month. We got the drop stickers in the three colors that were in the October box. So you've got the Sedona, you've got the pistachio, and the Angora. Oh, it should be something for everyone. The theme this month is implementation. And I really like that idea because of some projects I'm working on. There's a really nice dashboard, and then there's a set of inserts. There's a cover page first, which is nice. On the back of the cover page, there's lots of information and suggestions in terms of things that will help you use this insert pack. I especially like this page. The insert pages talk about goals, obstacles, resources, and timeline. And who didn't like this bag that the whole package came in? And we didn't have the black insert this month, so it was really nice to get it all in a bag. So as we always get in December, we have this spiral planner for 2023. And this one is very different from the past as far as I'm concerned. What is wonderful is we have the today insert for this. And when you get this, don't forget to take the protective covering off both sides of the cover. And then it will be glossy. But inside the glossy, we now have the 2023 on a very heavy vellum, followed by a beautiful black and white dashboard. We have lots of black and white images in here, so you'll see that throughout, and you'll also see where you can see where your months are in the black on the sides, so that if you're looking for your month, you can see how they're going to lay out. We have all the typical things in here, conversions, special holidays, things like that. What's most different is that this is a horizontal planner instead of a vertical planner. And I know many people are happy about this. I personally always use a horizontal planner. I was a Hobonichi Weeks girl from many years back. And once you're hooked on that style of planning, if it works for you, you usually stick with it. And a lot of it depends on what you do for work, how many appointments you have in a day, whether something like that's going to work for you. What's really interesting about this is that with the horizontal weeklies, we also got the monthlies. Usually if you were using horizontal before, you had to purchase the monthlies. You can still buy a vertical edition. It's actually in the Black Friday sale at 25% off if you really can't use the horizontal. But I think the horizontal is just great. And then you have, like a typical monthly where you're going to have, room for information. And the monthly is smaller because of the space at the bottom. The weekly is really nice because it doesn't look as dark, and I prefer that so that I can change up the layout with some minimal stickers or things like that. And in the very back, you've got an area for passwords and contacts. It's really been well done this year. Every year, I think the things have improved. This is my 5th year seeing these, and I think this is the best looking one to date. What I think the best item is in this box is the fossil leather clip. I didn't realize I was going to like it this much. This is the new E-Clips, and it's the same shape as the one we got last month, which was in the black contour. And this one is in fossil smooth leather. And it's the same color as this one. I was afraid when I saw the pictures of this that it was going to be bulky, but it's not in the least bulky. It is actually very slim. It's perfect on the fossil folio planner that houses the CP Petite, which was in the Black Friday sale. Unfortunately, this color sold out during the Icon and Legend session on Wednesday. I suggest if you're interested in this that you should notify by email so that if it does restock. Somebody did say that after the black one sold out, they got a notification that there was one in stock and they were able to get it. I also ordered a black one because I love that, and I ordered the clip in black also. So there you can see it with both clips, and it works really well. I'm just going to show you really briefly what was in the Penspiration box, and I'll try to do another video to show you more in depth about the pens. I'm going to show you very briefly what's in the Penspiration box, and hopefully I'll have time to do some more in depth with the pens in another video. So there was a post-it note included with the Penspiration box, which is a monthly, and would let you track things. I'm thinking it would work really well to also use some really tiny stickers in those boxes, and you can date it yourself. These are the cards. Of course, we have the blank monthly card, as we always get to use, and then the Penspiration board card. I know everybody was really wild about this green pen, and it's so nice. Unfortunately, it's a 0.7, which for somebody that really likes using 0.38, it's very hard to use 0.7, but there is a 0.38 in these pens. So there you have it. So November is a great month, and then having the box appear at the same time as the Black Friday sale, wow. I'm so excited. So I just wanted to talk for a minute about the Black Friday sale. So far, the freebies have been really great. The freebie yesterday really spiked my interest because there's avant-garde circle stickies. I have been waiting for those. I love avant-garde, and I need it in circle stickies. I had it in the semicircle, but I was hoping that that would be in the sale. And I will be buying another one of those on my next purchase, or I will use it as the freebie if I don't like the freebie. So I made an order on Wednesday, and I made an order yesterday because I saw that freebie and because I wanted the black leather clip. I'm just glad that I did that. I will be making at least one more order, and probably two. I'm dying to see what the freebie is that's worth $38, and I'm sure you're all dying to see that too. So stay tuned, and if you haven't subscribed, please do. If you're not on my email list, please check down below in the description and you can sign up, because I send a lot of information, plus there are contests that are run out of that email group. Just as a note, planner consultations are 25% off. So if you were looking to do one of those, that's a great time to do it. My new code, Barry10, you're not going to want to use that during the sale unless you want to use it for items that are not on sale as a separate order, such as a subscription box. And you can even do it for a 6-month subscription box. If you're looking to purchase the subscription box, the Penspiration box, or both, and you want to do it for a 3-month or a 6-month, that is a great savings that has not been seen before. I'm dying to know what all of you got at the Black Friday sale. Leave me a message below and let me know what you were most excited about, or leave me your whole list. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time around.